Hashtag short, guys. I'm doing a smoke test. As you can see, the ball is not dropping, guys. I have my test hooked up to the eSIM on this particular car. All right, that is why you do not guess on P0456. Let's go under the hood. I want to show you guys something, okay? The reason why you should always perform a smoke test on a small evap leak. Now, y'all see this steam coming from somewhere? Yes, okay. Guessing on a gas cap or anything like that can get you in trouble, guys. You really should not be guessing, all right? In fact, some people will flat out say your problem is an eSIM on a P0456. That's not always the case. You should most definitely run a smoke machine test where it will fill the evap system up with steam, and you are to look around to find where that steam is escaping. And I did just that. In fact, here go my leak right here. I saw smoke all in this area. I see that? It's purge valve hole. Look at that, just brittle. All right, hashtag short. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. I'm sure y'all saw that hashtag short videos I uploaded with the P0456, guys. So let me reiterate. You should not be guessing on a small evap leak, guys, because that can get expensive and you could end up wasting money on expensive parts. Okay, and what I have here is a purge valve as well. Oh, it didn't come with the hose. Didn't come with this rubber hose. You can reuse this hose, but I just like to replace everything together. And this is the new line that I got. Okay, I think it's been revised, guys. Yeah, right up in here, poorly made. I don't know who makes this stuff. Made in China? I don't know. You can't really blame the car maker. This is a high mileage Jeep. Let me go inside and find out exactly how many high miles. But over time, guys, things will get brittle under here. It's just a fact. Okay, so but you can't just yell out Jeep sucks. Oh my God, I can't believe this is under extreme heat under this hood and this line just got brittle. This is the old one right here. Yeah, it just, when I did my smoke test, all my smoke was coming out of here. It's fairly easy to replace. This hose is essentially routed under here. Yeah, you got to disconnect it right here. Okay, in fact, it's broken. Okay, so I got that off. That's off. Remember how it's routed, and just simply route your new hose in its place. All right, so I'm going to do that and replace this. In fact, this is not a hashtag short video, so let me get everything. Let me get this hose routed right. And guys, we're going to re-smoke this thing. Now, you don't just repair a car and just automatically assume it's repaired. I'm going to re-smoke, and in fact, there's a new procedure on certain generations that you can let the computer tell you it's fixed. Because let's be realistic, that's who we are trying to impress, the computer, right? The computer is the one that turned the light on, right? The computer is the one that found the problem, all right, by way of the evap system, the leaks. Okay, yes, that eSIM will perform a leak test and it failed. Now, this is why it failed. You got to understand what we're trying to do here with evaporative emission. We do not want fuel vapors out in the atmosphere, okay? Now, if there's a leak, you're essentially letting those vapors out in the atmosphere. So this system is designed to keep those vapors stored in what some would call, oh no, it's not some, it will be stored in a vapor canister. Okay, yes. Now, you can't just fill that canister up, right? So that's where the purge valve come into play. Over time, at a predetermined time, those vapors will come through this line, okay, through this line, and make its way back into the engine by way of this hose, all right? And it will be burned through the normal process of, going through the cat, hopefully cleaning it up, and it should come out as hopefully H2O. We want everything coming out of the cat to be clean. But yes, at a predetermined time, this purge valve will be activated and pull those vapors out of this line. Actually goes to the tank. What hooks right here, back this right here, that's going to the tank or the vapor canister. Okay, so those vapors will be purged through the purge valve. It's a good name to call it, huh? Purge valve. Run back to the intake and burn. So now, but if there is a leak like the computer dictated, you will get a check engine light. That's a warning to get that fixed. In fact, you can't get an emission if that light on. But we're not going to have that problem after we make this repair, right? Got this new and improved, redesigned, revised. Okay, they made it a little stronger, guys. So it's not going to be just flimsy, brittle, or to snap very easily. All right. Yes, it happens over time. Don't just Jeep sucks, Chrysler sucks, especially Dave, whatever his name is. Just everything, blah 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 sucks. Y'all quick to blame a car maker on, I don't know. It's just weird how y'all do that. But let me set up and get this fixed, guys. So we're gonna rerun a smoke test. As a matter of fact, I still have my smoke machine hooked up. That's how fast we got this approved. So I want to get it fixed as soon as possible. So let's get it. Alrighty guys, I got everything hooked back up. As you just saw now, we're gonna go and retest. Remember guys, you're not done until you verify that it has been repaired. My smoke machine is still hooked up in the same spot. Let's click that and we watch the ball. Make sure the ball drop all the way to the bottom. There it goes. And there you have it, guys. We are now all the way at the bottom, guys. That means there is no small evap leak. You should not see P0456 no time soon, guys. That has been repaired. All right, guys, that's all I have, man. Just wanted to go through this with y'all so y'all will understand how that code is generated and as far as what you should do when you see that code. So I hope I explained that. I did as best as I could. So hopefully you got something out of it. Guys, I'm done. That's all I have. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.